Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Python course. In this video we are going to talk about iterable and iterator in Python. An iterable is an object in Python that can be looped over, meaning you can iterate through its element one by one. Examples of built-in iterables include lists, tuples, strings, dictionaries, and sets. Iterables are generally collections of items. For example, lista equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4, where x in lista print x. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4, which are the elements in our list. Regarding iterator is an object that facilitates the iteration process over an iterable. It maintains the state of iteration, remembers the current position, and provides a way to access the next element in iterable sequence. Iterators implement the methods like iter underscore underscore iter underscore underscore or underscore underscore next and then underscore underscore in parentheses. Think of an iterable as a book. You can read it page by page, and each page is an item in the collection. An iterator is like a bookmark that keeps track of which page you are on. It helps us move from one page to the next as we read. Let's explain that by coding. For our lista, which contains elements 1, 2, 3, and 4, we are going to create an iterator from the iterable. So my iterator equals to iter, and then we put the name of our list, which is lista. And after that, we only have to write next and the name of our variable, which is my iterator. So next, my iterator. As you can see, we got 1. But what will happen if we write again next my iterator? Let's try. So next my iterator again. We got 2. We didn't get 1. And what will happen if we try to write it again? Next my iterator. We got 3. In our list we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So next my iterator, we got 4, but what will happen if we write it again? Our list only contains 4 elements from 1 to 4. Let's try. We got an error. It's called the stop iteration error, as our list only contains 4 elements. So when we try to make an iteration after the last element, we get an error called the stop iteration. We can also use iterator to loop through the iterable. So instead of writing next, and then my iterator, and then next, and then my iterator, and then next, and then my iterator, and so on, we can only make a for loop. So let's take this copy and paste. And then for item in my iterator print item. As you can see, here Python did an iteration over the old elements in the list. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of the advantages of iteration in Python is that we can access the elements one by one. When we write next my iterator, we got 1, and then the next element, and then the next element, and so on. We can also implement some functions inside our iteration. So for example, we can write print next my iterator print my name is Ali, then print next iterator, then print the result equal to 4 times 4. As you can see, we got the first iterator. From here, print next my iterator, which gives us the first element inside our list, which is 1. After that, Python printed this message, which is my name is Ali, and then we went again to iteration. By writing next my iterator, Python got 2, which is the second item inside our list. After that, we printed our result, which is 2 times 4, which is 8. So we have many advantages of using iteration in Python. First one is memory efficiency, as since my iterator is created from a list, it still retains the memory efficiency advantages of iterators. It doesn't load the entire list into a memory at once, which is beneficial for large lists. Secondly, for lazy evaluation, the iterator provides lazy evaluation, meaning elements are generated on demand. In this case, each cell to next my iterator fetches the next element from the list. Thirdly, using an iterator with next can lead to cleaner code when we want to process elements one at a time, especially in scenarios where a for loop may not be suitable. And finally, iterators are compatible with for loops. We can iterate over the remaining elements in the iterator using a loop. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Until next time, happy analyzing.